think it's three-legged or something.
Keep going! Keep going! Go! Go!
What if it like...
Carrie, go walk towards it.
Both ways.
Go!
They're buddies, go!
Hurry up. Carrie!
Go pet the llama, go spit on it. And the other one, the peanut's just looking at me like...
Go, hurry. I'm so he's so bad.
Me too.
What if it like kangaroos or like... gets up on his back legs?
Carrie, hurry. Walk towards it.
Harry's encounter with the llama.
Carrying contest.
Llama food. You could be llama food.
Hey, where did Lauren go?
She got bored.
Llama lives. Huh? Maybe llama has llama food.
Oh my god, Karen's running after you!
What if you're going towards its domain?
Hurry, Carrie.
I want that black thing to go away.
It's three-legged. It's a three-legged joke.
Is it really three-legged? So I'm not three-legged.
Yeah, it seriously is three-legged.
Okay, seriously, we have to hurry up, you guys.
Llama, 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 llama.
Just get in range of it at least.